short break just whilst I answered my front door, much to the excitement of the hot diggity dogs. So we get back to this. So I'm pouring black and white for a ring pour, and that might be enough. Finish it off with a bit of white, eh? Just because it can. Right, and here we go. Straight out, nothing flash, nothing fancy. Little bit of a dribble, but that was okay. Oh, I might not do the ring bore over this one. It's kind of looking a bit neat. You can see that I have rather a lot of air bubbles. Take it over this corner, bring it back. And the last corner, and then bring it down to here, and then back. That's rather pretty, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to give it a little torch and see what happens. Get this goo off my hands. Where'd I put the lighter? It's just here. I just had it. Come on, lighter. Come out wherever you are. There it is. Okay, a lot of cells which look really good, and the pup there's nice, so is this, but maybe I could still do my ribbon, so that's what I'm going to do with some yellow. Now these colours have Floetrol in them. You'll find the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium below show more under this video. Bit of black and some white. And some more red. And I think I'll finish it off with the blue. Underneath show more as well, you'll also find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And if you take out the plug from the hairdryer, you can plug that in. My grandson wants the internet. Right, so let's just take this around like this. Okay, far too much paint, so some of it has to go. It'll take a few minutes to warm up now. The internet, that is. And I'll bring this over to here. Some of that red maybe. Now it's looking good. Okay, back to the center. Oh goodness, that is so pretty. I'll just wipe my hands and give it another torch. I think I can bring that a bit more this way. I do have rather a lot of paint on here. Don't want to lose all that pretty blue. Eyes. That's very nice now. Alright, so I'll wipe my hands and I'll bring it out to have a look. I think I said the recipes. Oh, come on. For the pouring medium and the paint, you'll find under show more below the video. Also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos onto YouTube. I like these galactic looking ones, they're really, really pretty. And I stretched the cells out a bit, but they look, it almost looks like clouds, which is kind of pretty. A summer cloud. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this the thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.